What's going on? If you tried affiliate marketing and fail, it's not your fault, because the affiliate marketing game is rigged and the old way of doing affiliate marketing no longer works. Look, when I started affiliate marketing, I had to get an autoresponder. I had to get a funnel builder. I had to learn copywriting, which I didn't know copywriting. I had to get tracking software. All of that stuff, I had to invest money before I could even, before I even made any money. And I'm pretty sure it's the same way with you right now. You've got the funnel builder, you got the autoresponder, you got the tracking software, and you maybe even have to learn copywriting. But if you don't have any of those things, then your chances of succeeding in affiliate marketing is slim to none. Well, the affiliate bootcamp solves all of that, because the funnel is done for you. Okay, the autoresponder is done for you, going to be done for you. The tracking is going to be done for you. All the copywriting is done for you. The only thing you have to do is get plugged into this simple step-by-step system that walks you daily on actionable steps that you need to take in order to become successful at affiliate marketing. And it's just that simple. So let me go ahead on and show you in the back office how simple this is. Now, if you're in a hurry, I want to tell you to just take your time, because you don't want to rush this. We want you to get things set up right and done in the right way. Okay, there's a right way and a wrong way, and rushing through this and trying to speed through this is not right, because we want you to get your mindset right. We want you to get the fundamentals right. We want you to learn the skills in order to be successful at affiliate marketing. So let's go ahead and get in the back office right now. Now I'll show you what you're going to be getting into. Cool, you're still with me? Here we are inside of the affiliate back office, and the first thing I want to show you are the income streams that you're going to have access to. Now, you can get started with this for $7, but you're going to have, 6 income streams that you're going to be able to tap into once you get inside of the affiliate bootcamp. And if you want to get access to 9 of them, then you can upgrade to a $97 one-time value that's going to make you a super affiliate by you going through some super affiliate training. Now, you can get started with this, as I said, one time for, $7 per month. Okay. And it's a $97 one time if you don't want to pay the $97 per month. Okay. So let me break that down. It's $7 per month, or $97 one time. And if you want to be the super affiliate, it's going to be another $97. So that's totally up to you if you want to go to the super affiliate status. What I recommend that you do right now is just come in at either the $97 one time, or you come in at the $7 per month, whichever one works for you. If you just want to test it out, come on in at the $7 per month, and then you can make a decision, if you want to do the 97 and just pay it one time, and then you have no more monthly fees. So let's go into the income stream. I'm going to talk about them here for a little bit. Of course, you're going to have your affiliate bootcamp ID, which is going to give you the opportunity to earn on 6 different income streams. You're going to have ClickFunnels. This is a residual income stream built in right here. Understand that people pay monthly for ClickFunnels. It's residual income stream, 40% per month of the whatever it is, $97, I believe. So you're going to earn like $38 and something, residual income. If you get 100 customers, they'll pay for your dream car, at least on your dream car. So that's in residual income stream. The Offer Lab is another income stream where you can earn the $497 plus some other income stream built within Offer Lab itself. So you would actually have to watch some videos on that to get a good understanding of that one. The Secret of Success is another income stream that you're going to earn off of. And the Secret of Success 1357 Club is another one as well. Udemy is a traffic source that you get to earn additional income off of. This is not residual, but if people are continuing to buy traffic through here using your affiliate link, then yes, you're going to be earning commission. And then WAP is another affiliate commission that you can earn as well. And If you're a super affiliate like I am, then you can earn on Prime Corporate Services. This is another income stream. Voomly, which is another income stream. This is residual. And Barnum PT, which is another income stream. So they have one-time sales and residual income stream all within this system. So you get access to that. I was talking about the super affiliate, verification process. This is it right here. So let me kind of zoom in. So 100% commissions are unlocked only when you complete the associated training. Please complete that training ASP to unlock 100% commission on affiliate bootcamp funnel with its initial offers, including affiliate bootcamp. So you would earn $7 per month or $97 one time, 100% commission. On the super affiliate, you would earn the $97, okay? On the affiliate clipping secret, you would earn $197. And on conversation domination, you would earn $297. So this is 100% commissions are completely yours, okay? If you decide you want to get in on the super affiliate verification. All of the training, so I'm gonna zoom back out. All of the training right here, Russell Brunson, okay? Steve Larson, Dave Gamble, all of these people here, Jim Edwards, all of this training right here is going to teach you how to get traffic, how they built their affiliate marketing business, that you can pick one of these people, okay? Pick one of these people, either one, and model what they are doing, and then you're good to go, okay? So you can do that in here. Okay, as you see right now, I'm down on Billie Jean, Ping Jun is next, and then affiliate bootcamp. So all of that is square. You know what I'm saying? So I just need to watch the training. If I want to do what Billie Jean is doing, that's what I can do. Okay. So all of that is explained to you. Let's go back over here to the start. Here, I don't have affiliate clipping secrets nor conversation domination. Okay. So we go to the income streams. We have already looked at those. Let's go to the start here. You're just going to take it one day at a time, okay? This is the affiliate bootcamp. This is just Russell explaining everything. You're going to go to mission one. Mission one, all of these videos you see, I have gone through them. The community. Once you get down here to join the community, take action. Just do whatever it says in each one of these videos, okay? Modeling success. Watch them. Once you're done, you're going to hit the next step. Okay. And then you're going to hit complete the mission. Once this mission has been completed, it's not going to open again till 24 hours later, because they actually want you to come in here and do what is necessary to get things done. They want you taking action. Okay. So it's not going to open. Mission 2 will not come open for you to 24 hours later. Once that happens, you're going to go through mission 2. Mission 2 is beating resistance, talking about mindset, extreme ownership, and your definite purpose. You want to watch these videos, getting your mindset right, okay? Because Russell talks about, 10% of this is just skills, doing things, but 90% of it is in your mind actually getting things done. So you have to have your mindset right. Once you go through here, okay, click next and click on completed the step, and you're just going to go through each one. Mission 3 will not open up until you get to affiliate bootcamp. I'm going to come back and probably do a video on all of these right here at a later date. But the affiliate bootcamp, this is what is affiliate marketing, simple. The affiliate bootcamp, download the PDF guide, getting your basic tools, okay? And review the new business model, how it all going to work right here. Setting up the profit centers, success at the end of the funnels. Profit center is setting up all of what we had here, all of the income stream that we had up here. If I look at them again, that's all of those right there, okay? Come back over here. That's setting up the profit centers. 24 hours later, you go to mission 5. So I'm not going to go through all of these, but by the time you get here to mission day 7, okay, you're going to have you're going to be ready to set up your email list. Okay, autoresponder workflow, creating your email address, connecting the opt-in, create your workflow tag. And this is walking you through how to set up everything step by step. Okay, and everything is done within ClickFunnels. Okay, that's how it's done. So then you're going to have done for you emails on your 8th day. They're going to have emails that you're actually going to put in there. Okay, you don't have to worry about them. You will have to do some editing. Then you're going to get your first 100 clicks. Okay, traffic secrets, solo ads, magic list building secret, Udemy. It's the traffic source he's using or talking about in here. So you're going to get access to that. Think and Grow Rich. You're going to take a break, get your mindset back right again. Get your mindset, get your head back in the game, because you've gone through a process of just putting things together and you thinking, I haven't made any money yet. Get your mindset together. 10% getting things done, getting the skills, 90% mental. Don't let your mind get in the way of your progress, okay? And then funnel hacking. That's when all of that's going to come in next. Bottom, editing basics, setting up split test, some more training that you're going to be learning from, because now you're going to be getting traffic here. You can be going through learning more skills, okay? I haven't gotten to sending your broadcast yet, YouTube content, but I'm almost at the end. So I'm looking for you to come and join me. Now, how do you do that? You do that by clicking the button, the link that is in the description below, or that's in the pinned comment below, if you're ready to join the affiliate bootcamp with me. Okay, not promising you're going to earn any income, but hey, you finally can see some success as an affiliate marketer one way or the other. So click that link in the description, come to this page, watch this video of me, click the join button if you're ready. Here's everything you're going to get from Russell, and I have some bonuses down here that you're going to get from me. You can read those bonuses, over $1,179 worth of bonuses. I'm going to send them to you through your email as soon as I check my back office and see that you have joined me. I'm going to have you ready to go. Once you do that, you're going to click this button right here, enter your name and your email, click the join now. It's going to take you to this page right here. Watch Russell Brunson explain everything to you. Watch Russell Brunson explain everything to you, okay? Then you click this button right here, join the affiliate bootcamp, $7 membership today, or $97 one time. You choose. It's totally up to you. So with that being said, I hope you got value from this video. Click the link in the description. I look forward to working with you inside of the affiliate bootcamp. You have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.